My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and we are here on Salt Spring Island to welcome you to our newest listing at 195 Musgrave Place. Now, this home sits on half an acre and is the epitome of West Coast living. The owners custom built this home back in 2001. As you can tour around this property, you can see that their main focus was taking advantage of this gorgeous view. With floor to ceiling windows, 15-foot ceilings, you get a boast of natural light and unencompassed views of the ocean. With no expenses spared, they put in cork floors, a beautiful custom kitchen, and a wood fireplace that actually is hooked up in case the power goes out. It'll heat your home.
Salt Spring is the largest of the Gulf Islands, and it is home to a vibrant community year-round, as well as attracting many visitors and vacation homeowners. And for good reason. The island embodies slow living, there are plenty of recreational activities to do and provincial parks, and there are many thriving businesses, including farms, wineries, and orchards, where you can get a variety of local produce and artisan goods, as well as everything that you would need during your time here. This beautiful property also has its own dock with boat access.